Hello children, let's learn conjunctions today. In conjunctions part 2, we will learn about although, though, either or, neither nor, therefore, as well as, however, moreover, and yet. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two or more words, phrases, or sentences. They are also called connectors or linkers. Now let's see the following examples. Although I was tired, I decided to go to the temple. Though I am busy, I have time for you. Either Riddhi or Pranav collects the notebooks of the students. Neither Navika nor Ashita is absent today. The parking lot is full, therefore you may use the street. Avni as well as Anika is intelligent. Our sales are up, however, our customer satisfaction is down. The train was not only late but also fully packed. Texting while driving is dangerous. Moreover, it's illegal in some states. The weather was cold yet bright and sunny. Uses of conjunctions. Although and though, their meanings are same. That is, in spite of the fact that. Although is used in more formal writing, and though is more often used in speech and casual writing. For example, although it is very hot, we went for the shopping. Though I don't know English, I always try to speak in English. Next conjunction is either or. We can use either or to emphasize a choice. For example, it's either black or grey, I don't remember. You can have either soup or juice. Neither nor. We use it to make negative statements connecting items. Now let's see the examples. Neither Priyam nor Ritvik likes swimming. Leon was neither sad nor happy to hear the news. Therefore. We use therefore to join two sentences where the first sentence carries the reason for the second sentence. For example, Hardik and Vaishnavi knew the answer. Therefore, they raised their hands. The reason of their raising hands is that they knew the answer, which is in the first part of the sentence. Another example is, the shop was closed, therefore we could not do our shopping. The reason of not doing the shopping was that the shop was closed. Next conjunction is as well as. Its meaning is in addition to. It does not mean and. We can use as well as when we want to mention another item connected with the subject we are discussing. For example, Yash has invited Manikya as well as Dhruvita. It is in his best interests as well as yours. In the first example, the focus is on Manikya. Along with Manikya, he has also invited Dhruvita. In the second example, the focus is in his interest and also yours. So it is in his best interest as well as yours. So the focus is in his interest. Next conjunction is however. We use however to combine two sentences and show their contrast or opposition. For example, Vasu was very busy yesterday. However, he helped me move into a new apartment. Second example, the festival was to be held today. However, it was cancelled due to the rainy weather. In both the examples, we can notice the contrast. In the first example, In spite of his busy schedule, Vasu helped me to move into a new apartment. In the second example, the festival was to be held today, but in contrast, it was cancelled due to the rainy weather. So, however, shows contrast. Next conjunction is not only but also. It is a correlative conjunction. It always comes in pair and it relates one part of the sentence to the other. For example, Saksham eats not only salad but also fruits. Vinayak is not only smart but also talented. Moreover, we can use moreover to introduce a piece of information that adds to or supports the previous statement. For example, texting while driving is dangerous. Moreover, it's illegal in some states. Second example, diet and exercise will help you lose weight. Moreover, it is good for your health. Next conjunction is yet. It means but or nevertheless. We use it to show contrast. For example, the weather was cold yet bright and sunny. It's a small car, yet it's surprisingly spacious. So, dear students, I hope you have understood the conjunctions which are explained in this video. Now I am telling you the names of the students who have given the right answers of my previous video, which was on conjunctions part 1. They are Adilakshmi Pillai, Unnati Puri, Bhavesh Kumar, Anushka Debnath, Arsh Rain and Adya Mathpati. Thank you for giving me your support. Stay tuned with this channel. Keep answering. Take care of your health. See you soon in the next video. Bye.